Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to Nifty Times Now. In today's video, we'll be discussing about the price action combining the decision point for an intraday trader to take a trade. So this is the topic today we'll be discussing. Before going into today's topic and examples, let us recap the previous sessions we covered. The previous session, we covered the price action. That is, when the price action is on the uptrend or downtrend, when to enter the trade. It is always buy at the support and sell at the resistance. Previous to this, for this we require the constant decision point. In the previous videos, we identified which is the constant decision points, that is previous day high and previous day low and previous day close. This is the constant decision points. So now in today's video, we will be combining this decision point with the price action and how to enter the trade. So that's what we are going to discuss in today. Let us begin. So in this ebook, they have given some scenarios like of combining both the decision point and the price action for an intraday trader when to enter the trade. See, in the first example, the decision point they marked is, this is the decision point. The decision point, what I mentioned is, the decision point is either it can be a previous day low or previous day high. That is a decision point. Then we are combining the price action. When the price goes in the uptrend or downtrend, the price is, see now the price is coming from it has come down and it is going up. So it is breaking this decision point. Then again there is a pullback. Then again it's going. So now this example, the first example shows when to enter into, when to buy. It is, the trend is uptrend. See now the trend is going up. So this is a decision point. So the decision point might be your high or it can be your previous day low or previous day high. Assume that this is a previous day high. So when it breaks the previous day high and it took a pullback and again it's breaking the swing, that is an entry, and the previous low is your stop loss. This is what they mentioned. And in top they are given the second example. This is for the sell entries. Might be this is a decision. The black line is shown as a decision point. As I said, the decision point can be a previous day high or previous day low. So in this case also they mentioned this is for the sell entry. There is, assume that is a previous day high. So whenever there is a market goes to the previous day, it gets rejected, then it taking a pullback, then it is breaking. So when it's breaking this swing, that will be entry and the previous high is your stop loss. So likewise the third example, different example. So because if you see in the live market, we cannot get the actual drawings which we are seeing in these charts. It may be different, like the market sentiments are different. See in this third example, it directly breaking. Can you see this? It has gone up and from there directly. So when this breaking this decision point, we can take an entry and your previous swing high will be your stop loss. So these on the top levels, these 1, 2, 3, 4, these examples are for the sell entries. See the down 1, 6, 7, 8, 9 examples are showing as for the buy entries. The decision points, it can be a previous day low. When it cuts the previous low and it pulls back and it is breaking the previous swing, the entry will be there, your stop loss will be there. So let us see this example in our Nifty chart. So we know like it is our decision points or the previous day high, low or close. Okay. So we're going into the Nifty chart. So we have to mark the previous day high. So we can manually also mark. See now I have to manually mark means taking this 19th. So 19th high is this. Okay. The 19th low is this. Okay. 19th low is this. When you come for 20th day trading, this will be your levels. Okay. So now you see on 20th whether we have any entries are there. No, because it didn't come to our decision points. So we mentioned here whenever a previous day high close, also we mentioned like whenever it is in support or resistance, we can take a decisions to enter the trade. In between these areas, we should not trade. Okay. So if you see, so to keep on manually marking this previous day high low, we can even use an indicator. Okay. I'm deleting all these things. You go to the indicators, you can search it as any platform you have this previous day. So I'm using TradingView. So we have see the previous day high low JOS traders. Okay. So I'm using this. You also search in your platforms, you can see the previous day high low. So I am enabling that here. Can you see it's getting automatically plotted? It's all manual. The indicators helps and reduces our time also. So it keeps on marking the previous day high low. So what is like for 19th, this is the level of previous day close, okay, and this is the previous day high. That is, if you see your 18th low is this, can you see this? It's getting marked here, and 18th high is this, that's why it's marked. So based on this, so these are all the decision points. Some even you can use a pivot point as a decision point. We're taking previous day high low as a decision points. We can use a pivot point, which is standard. If you take change to any time frames, the levels will not get changed. It will be same as it. If you take for 30 minutes, still your levels will be same. Okay. So these are all the constant, what you call decision points. So you can refer the indicators in your trading platform. Okay, I'm just going to some examples. Okay, I kept for easy references. So based on the examples, we see these in the live trade. So what is mentioned, like whenever we want to enter into the market, either it is a sell side or it's a call side, it has to be on the decision. The decision point here is in this 19th, if you see, the decision point is previous day high. So what is like market has opened above the previous day high. So let us draw the same like pattern, like price action. Let us try to draw the price action first. I'm just showing you. The market is from here, it started, came down. There is a swing happened. Okay, there is a swing down. Market went up. There is a pullback. Again, it went up. Pullback, went up. So now this price action will help you to understand the combination of the decision point and the price action for an intraday trader to enter into the trade. So now we see two examples. One is we see a buy and a sell entry. So market is open on high, so it has come down. So one swing has to be formed, correct? The price action has come. So what happened is it went again back above the previous day high. Then again it has come. So now as a intraday trader, we came to know the swing. There is one swing has come here. This is the first high. Okay, first high. It came here down. Again it has formed a new high. Okay, and it is coming down. So the entry should be here, like either when it breaks this decision point, or for a safer side, if it is breaking the previous swing here. Okay, if I'm entering here, this is an entry. So my stop loss will be this. My stop loss will be this. Okay, my entry will be this. So my entry point is, so my entry point can be here or it can be here. When it breaks here, this level, when I entry points. Okay. So when I'm entering in the trade here, P side, my target can be the previous day low. Okay. So this is one example. Same way we can see another example of buy side. So previous day low, that is what they have mentioned. Whenever you want to buy, it should be from your, if you see, whenever you buy from your support, sell from your resistance. That's what we are seeing. We're selling from this resistance and this support. So what happened is the market came down, then again it went up above the previous day low. It is on support. Then it took a pullback. Then it is going. So now my entry can be when it breaks above this level. When it breaks above this level, my entry. So what would be my stop loss? My stop loss is here. So my stop loss is here. Okay. So it's clear now, guys. I'm explaining as per the strategy, like which is mentioned in the ebook. So you can see these examples. So in this day, we had two trades. One is as a sell trade and a buy trade. So what happened is it went again, your target has it, then it has come down. So don't bother about that. So it is, you are waiting for the trade. It is not like every day you'll get the trade. You have to take a decision only on the decision points. The constant decision points is previous day high low, or else you can use a pivot point, or you'll use even a GAN points as your decision points. So if you see the next day, see this is your previous day high and this is your previous day low, but the market is trading in between, so we don't need to trade, like unless it comes to this level we take a decisions. Now in this day 20th, as per our strategy, if you're going as per the previous day high low and the decision point strategy, we didn't get a trade on this day. So coming back to on 21st, if you see the 21st, I'm deleting all these earlier lines. On 21st, this is your previous day, means 20th high was this green line and 20th support low was this line, this red line. So in 20th also you see market has come from top. Okay, it will be easy, like first try to draw the swings. Okay, so it has come, market took one first swing, even you can mark it like this. You can mark it from here. The first swing has happened, say 1, it took a swing, come. So when we are at 9:30 we saw this first swing. It is from here it has come, it has gone back above the previous day high. When it is breaking this level we can take an entry, or else we can, when it breaking this previous day high coming down, we can take an entry, and our stop loss will be here. I said the previous high, my previous high is this will be your stop loss, and this will be your when it breaks here, your entry can be, or else it can be this level. There are two levels you can take an entry. One is here, or when it breaks the previous day high itself you can take entry, because I had a high marked here. So when the market goes behind this only, it's going against. So your target can be the previous day low. See, it is clearly come from here, it has fallen, but it didn't come to our SL point. Okay, so I'm deleting these marked levels. So there is a entry for a sell side on 20th. So next it has come here down. So now this, you see, it has come here and it is going up. Okay, so this is in your thing, either it can directly, it goes up. So this is your when it is breaking your support and it is going up directly. Okay, so it just came down and directly it's breaking our support and it's going up. So here also you can take your entry at this level on the buy side. On the buy side, if you see this swing, this is your entry point and your SL will be here, correct? So because the swing has happened, so now even I can draw like this in detail, like there is a swing happen. If you see, the swing is coming like this, correct? So on 21st also we got a decent 2 tradings, which is very a powerful strategy. When we have a decision point, the constant decision, that is very important, constant, it doesn't change, because we cannot do a trading in between this, because we don't know whether this candle coming down, it keeps on changing, but this level is fixed because yesterday's day high. So yesterday there was some resistance at this level, and yesterday there was a support at this level. Definitely the market will come and respect those levels. So it will be easy for an intraday trader to take a decision along with the price action, to take decision on the constant decision point. Same way, if you see on 24th also we get a buy signal here. I'm just deleting all those entry points, okay, once again. Similarly, like it is, we can draw the market is from here, it went up and down. Can you see this like this, it's going. Okay, so it is easy, no? Like you can from your learnings, you know, like it is where to take a trade. The system is telling it is buy at the support when it breaks that point. Okay, so it has come, this is a support. When it is breaking, you can take an entry. Safer is better if it breaks this level. Okay, your entry will be here. And what would be your stop loss? So stop loss would be here. Okay, this low will be a stop loss. This is one entry. If it is, or else when it has come down and is going back. Okay, so when it is breaking my decision points, previous day low itself, it is breaking, you can take an entry here itself. This would be a superb entry, like it is. It's very safe entry, because it's already breaking the previous high. So means the market is in a position to move on uptrend. So clear, guys. Likewise you can see many examples in this. Like see, this is all previous day. There is an entry here. See, now it is a support. What happened is, as we shown in the thing, sometimes it doesn't come. See, it comes here and touches there, or it comes here and touches and it's going. So this is the example where we can see it has come here to the resistance points, okay, and it's going up. So what would be our entry as per this thing? My entry will be, it's breaking on this level. When this level this is your first swing. When it breaks here, my entry will be, my stop loss will be here. My entry is here and my stop loss will be here. So likewise, see, it makes your life easy, like it is when we are sticking to a powerful strategy. It is not compulsory that is every day you have to get a trade. As I shown you on 20th, we didn't have a trade, right? So no problem. So we are waiting for we should not run for the trade. The trade should come into your strategy. Should fall under your strategy. It comes. The market comes at your level. You just watching there, correct? Your eyes will be on these levels only. When the market is in between these levels, okay, if you see, the market is in between these two levels. There is no trade here. You don't need to spend your time. So I said when it comes here only, I'm going to be cautious. Okay, I'm going to take an action. Hope this video helps you with the learnings of our previous video. The constant decision point, the price action, combining this both, how it's going to help the intraday trader to enter into the trade. In the next video, we'll be discussing about the open price, how that open price is important for an intraday trader. Thank you guys.